Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you a drink to boost immunity. Nowadays this drink is very helpful for us and this will help you to increase immunity. Let's get started. Take 2 or 1/2 spoon of cinnamon and cloves powder. I have mixed cinnamon and cloves powder, so I'm using that powder. If you have separate cinnamon powder and cloves powder, you can use that powders 1 spoon and 1 spoon, no problem. Take 1 spoon original turmeric powder. Before I prepare turmeric sticks into powder in mixer grinder, so I'm using that one. Black pepper seeds, ilachi, ginger, and add some tulsi leaves. We should add this one because these tulsi leaves have some medicinal properties and will get also good flavor with this one. Now take an empty bowl and add 2 glasses of water. Next boil the water until well warmed. After boiling, next add all items except tulsi leaves. Because tulsi leaves should be cooked 5 minutes before turning off the stove, then we'll get good medicinal properties and good flavor. Next, put the plate on top of it like this. Then next, cook well on medium flame until it comes to 1 glass. Nearly take 20 minutes of boiling. After boiling, now add the tulsi leaves. Immediately stop the stove and put the plate on top of it. Leave 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, strain it into a cup. At least take this drink 1 time a day or else can take 2 to 3 times a day. Now we can take like tea. If anyone have cold and cough problem, better to take on early morning. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.